Hello students, this is our today's experiment DAC using R2R ladder network. DAC means digital to analog converter. So with this following apparatus and following the procedure, you have to build this circuit diagram. So this is your regular 741 op amp. So this R2R network you have to build, and for this network you have to supply digital inputs for the bits B0, B1, B2, B3 terminals. So this digital input is supplied to the 741 op amp, and this digital input is converted into analog output voltage here, Vout. So how digital input is converted into analog voltage, analog output voltage, we'll see. Okay. This is the design. Reference voltage 5 volts, output voltage, that is V reference by 16 into B0 plus 2 into B1 plus 4 into B2 plus 8 into B3. Here you can take R as 5 kilo ohms and 2R as double of this R. So 5K may not be available as a standard. You can take 5.6 kilo ohm, and here if not 10, then you can have 12 kilo ohm also. Okay. I'll go for this later. Okay, I'll show you how to plot this graph, relation between input and relation between digital inputs and your output voltage. You'll get this staircase. You'll get such staircase in steps. Whatever digital input you have applied, corresponding to that an analog output voltage you will get. Okay. So for that relation you have to build this graph. Now this is the tabular column. In this tabular column, these are the digital inputs B1, B2, B0, B1, B2, B3. One important thing, B0 means LSB, least significant bit. B3 is most significant bit, MSB. This is LSB, this is MSB. In your diagram, if you see, LSB is here, B0 is here. So it's not that if you apply 0, 0, 0, 1 as your input, 1 is given to B0. It means in your circuit diagram it becomes 1 is here. Understood? And 0, 0, 0. For that, what we have to do is, I'll show you in my circuit how to take this and connect into the output. Okay. Now, before going for practical output voltage, let us calculate its theoretical output voltage by substituting in this Vout formula. Okay. Now you can see here, for our first reading, to calculate first theoretical value, we have B0, 0, B1, 0, all digital inputs are, all the bits are 0. So if you substitute this B0, B1, B2, B3 here, you will reach, you will obtain a value Vout equal to 0, right? So the first value is 0. Next, 0, 0, 0, 1 means B0 is 1. Here in this equation, this B0 becomes 1. And here we have V reference. Yes. This V reference is, we have considered 5 volt. 5 volt divided by 16 into B0 is 1. Rest all have become 0 because these are zeros. So 1 into 5 by 16 will give you 0.3125 volts. 0.3125 volts. Like this, go on substituting these bits, digital inputs, into your this Vout formula and fill all the theoretical voltages for all these digital inputs. Okay. Yes, if you continue like this by substituting bit by bit, if you go on increasing your signals in order, you will get this theoretical voltages. Okay. Now you have to conduct your experiment so that you get your practical values and you can have a comparison. Later you can prepare a graph which shows you a ladder diagram wherein your digital signals are being converted into analog voltage. Okay, we'll see its conduction. So well, I have done my connections here. This is your digital IC trainer kit. So on this breadboard, this is your op amp. I'll keep my IC here. For your comparison, you can so this is RRR. I have used 5.6K, and this one is 2R, 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 2R. I have used 12K resistors. Now this is your op amp. Now, as per your circuit, the digital inputs B0, B1, B2, B3 are this. B0, B1, B2, B3. This B0 is taken here and connected here. So this is our B0. I have done this to make it simple for you to understand your tabular column, because in our tabular column MSB is written first and LSB is written at the last, right? So here comes our B0. So that is why B0 I have connected here. This is B0. Okay. B0, B1, B2 and B3. Remember, this is same like I have taken B0 from here, from the first resistor, not from here. From first B0 I have taken from your circuit diagram and I have connected here. Okay. If you miss this, you will not get proper output. Okay. This is B0, B1, B0, B1, B2, B3. Okay. Now let us see its output. Now as you can see, these are the 4 digital inputs. Now my all 4 inputs are, I'll make it 0. I'll turn on kit. Yes. My all digital inputs are low and my multimeter is showing me a very negligible voltage, that is almost 0 volts. So it means that for all digital input 0, your output is 0 volts. Got it? I'll keep it here. Well, now I'll make, for the next reading, I should make B0 high. So this is our B0. I'll make it high. So it is giving me a voltage of 0.331. So I'll write it down here. 0.331. 0.331. So 0.330, 0.331. Okay. Now let us make 0, 0, 1, 0. B0 high, B1 high and B0 0. So B1 is high. So if B1 is high, the voltage has increased to 0.636. You can compare it with your theoretical value 0.636, 0.635 or 0.636. Similarly, you go on doing this and complete till you get your final reading. Now B0, B1 high. So this should give you 0.967. 0.967. Next 0.100 is giving you 1.248. 1.248. 1.248. See, it is matching here. 1.28, 1.2. Next 0.101 is giving you 1.579. So 1.579. Next, make it 0, 0.110. 1.8. 1.882. 0.111. 2.213. Correct. Next 1.000 is giving you 2.3. 2.384. Yes, I continued like that and written my all practical values. Then I would like to show you the last one by making all high 1111. It is giving me 4.57. 4.57 volts. So these are your 4.57, 4.57 when all the 4 bits digital inputs are high. So this is the comparison between theoretical and practical. Okay, now you can copy down same readings. Now for this practical values with respect to digital input, you have to plot a graph here like this. Okay, and when you plot a graph with this digital input versus your output voltage, you will obtain a ladder structure like this. Ladder structure. Okay, I'll show you one like this. Digital input versus output voltage. You have to obtain this and draw it on your graph sheet. So this will end your digital to analog conversion, DAC, digital to analog converter using R to R ladder network. Okay, thank you.